Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Smart Home Hub and I will show you how you can reset network settings of this device. So that's very simple. You have to grab your device like that and you have to click and hold this button for 10 seconds. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and keep holding. Okay, and right now we can release after 10 seconds. As you can see, that's how you can reset the network settings of your Xiaomi Mi Smart Home Hub. So, as you can see, we lost the connection right now. There was on this, notification. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.